Have you ever noticed how much of your workday just disappears? Not into real work, into busy work. Research, notes, scheduling, cleaning up messy audio. Well, I found 7 free AI tools that quietly handle all of it, and most people have never even heard of them. And number 7 gives you back hours every single week without you lifting a finger. These aren't the tools everyone already talks about. No ChatGPT, no Canva. These are the ones flying under the radar, and I'll tell you exactly what you get for free on each. Let's get into it. First up, Perplexity. Think of it as Google and ChatGPT had a baby that actually cites its sources. You ask a question, and instead of 10 blue links, you get a straight answer with the sources linked right underneath. No more opening 15 tabs to figure out one thing. Here's why it matters. On the free plan, you get unlimited everyday searches, 5 of the more powerful pro searches every day, and you can even upload a file and ask questions about it. For research, fact-checking, or just getting a fast answer you can trust, this quietly replaces an hour of digging. Best for research, quick answers, and anything you'd normally Google. Next, Gamma. And this one saves you the single most dreaded task in any office, making a presentation. You type what your deck is about, and Gamma builds the whole thing. Slides, layout, images, design, in about a minute. Then you just tweak it. Here's the thing. The free plan gives you 400 free credits to start. Enough to build around 10 full presentations, from a blank slide to finished in minutes instead of hours. For pitches, reports, or client proposals, that's a real head start. Best for presentations, pitch decks, and reports you need to look sharp, fast. Number 3, Napkin AI. This one solves a problem you didn't know had a solution, turning boring text into clear visuals. You paste in your text, an idea, a process, a concept, and Napkin instantly turns it into professional diagrams, flowcharts, and graphics. Why it matters. Visuals get understood and shared far more than walls of text, but most people can't design them. Napkin does it for you, automatically. It's free forever with 500 AI credits every week. Perfect for turning your notes and ideas into clean visuals. And if you ever want them watermark-free for client work, that's the one reason you'd upgrade. Best for diagrams, flowcharts, and turning ideas into visuals people actually get. Number 4, Otter.ai. If you sit through meetings, this gives you your attention back. It joins your call, transcribes every word in real time, and hands you a clean summary with action items when it's done, so you can actually listen instead of scrambling to take notes. Here's the payoff. The free plan gives you 300 transcription minutes a month, 30 minutes per conversation, and it plugs straight into Zoom, Teams, and Google Meet. No more, wait, what did we decide? It's all written down for you automatically. Best for meetings, interviews, and never taking manual notes again. Number 5, Crisp. This is the one that makes you sound professional no matter where you are. It's an AI layer that sits on your mic and removes background noise in real time. Barking dogs, coffee shop chatter, keyboard clicks, all gone on every call in any app. Here's why it matters. Nothing makes you look less put together than a call full of background noise. The free plan gives you 60 minutes of noise cancellation every single day, and it works with Zoom, Teams, anything. For remote workers, this one's a non-negotiable. Best for clean audio on calls from anywhere in any app. Number 6, TLDV. Otter gives you the transcript, TLDV gives you the actual moment. It records your video calls, then lets you jump to any point, clip the important 30 seconds, and share it, so nobody has to sit through a 50-minute recording to see the one part that matters. Here's the payoff. It's free forever with unlimited recordings and transcripts. No time limit on your calls, ever. Record everything, clip the moments that matter, and share them in seconds. When someone misses a meeting, you send them a 2-minute clip instead of asking them to re-watch the whole thing. Best for recording calls and sharing the moments that actually matter. And number 7, the one I told you to wait for, Reclaim.ai. This is the tool that gives you back hours without you doing anything. It connects to your Google Calendar and automatically schedules your tasks, habits, and breaks into the open gaps in your day, and reshuffles everything when a meeting gets added. Here's the payoff. Instead of you playing calendar Tetris every morning, Reclaim auto-schedules your tasks and habits right onto your calendar, defending your focus time automatically. Your day organizes itself, while you just get on with the work. Best 4. Automatically protecting your focus time and organizing your entire week. And that's it. 7 free AI tools most people aren't using. Perplexity for research, Gamma for presentations, Napkin for visuals, Otter for meeting notes, Crisp for clean audio, TLDV for recording calls, and Reclaim to put your whole schedule on autopilot. Every one of them free. Every link in the description below. Got a free tool that should have made this list? Let me know in the comments. And before you go, check out the next video, 5 free AI tools for content creation. It's packed with even more ways to work faster for free. If this helped, hit that like button and subscribe for more tips, tools, and tech discoveries. Thanks for watching, and as always, keep creating.